Jason Dwayne G. Radilla. We're studying now Science, Quarter 1, Week 8. Change in solid materials when they are cut. Solid may change their physical appearance through bending, hammering, and pressing, but did you know that solid may also change their physical appearance through cutting? When cut, these materials may change their size and shape, but no new materials will be formed. Only the physical appearance of the solid material is changed when cut. Note, not all solid materials can be just cut using simple scissors. Some solid materials like iron and steel need a metal cutter or machine cutter. Experiment in science. Materials need paper, cardboard, fabric or used cloth, biscuit wrapper, leaves, and scissors. What happened to the material when cut? Let's see. First, paper. Change size and shape, but no new material form. Only the physical material is changed.